So we discussed about, first of all, good evening to everyone, those who joined now. So we were discussing chapter number 6, rules of debit and credit. We covered golden rules, we covered modern rules, and we have done extensive discussion on modern rules now. Clear? Any doubt in golden rule or modern rule to any one of you?
No, sir.
No doubt. So can I ask some rapid fire questions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So let me ask. Okay. So I will ask you a question that will help do a quick revision actually. Okay. Think from modern rules point of view. Salary outstanding. Salary outstanding quickly. What is the accounting entry? Journal
Liability.
entry. Yes. Yes, Aradhana, go ahead.
Is it supposed to come under liability?
Okay. Is it supposed to come under liability? Is a doubtful way of asking. You have to tell it will come under
It
liability.
will come under liability.
Liability. Are you sure?
I'm not sure. I don't know if it's expenses or liability.
Okay. Outstanding liability. What is the concept for outstanding liability? Outstanding salary, I told now. Outstanding salary. What it means?
Means
there are two accounts. There are two accounts which are involved. Which are the two accounts?
Capital and liability.
Which are the two accounts for outstanding salary?
salary and
Yes, salary and
is it
anyone? Outstanding salary is a salary which I have not paid actually. That means my employees have worked in my business, but I have not paid the salary to them. I am not able to pay the salary. So the two accounts which are involved, Aditya, don't turn the pages. The two accounts which are involved are salary account and salary outstanding. So salary will come under which category, guys? In modern rules, we have asset, expenses, income,
Expenses, sir.
liability, capital, retained earning. So salary will come under which category?
Expenses.
Expenses are increasing or decreasing?
Expenses.
Expenses are increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
Because I have to pay a salary. That means expenses are increasing. Am I paying it now? I'm not paying it now.
No, sir.
So which is the second impact account which is impacting? There is a liability. Salary outstanding is a liability. Is it increasing or decreasing? Outstanding salary. Liability is also increasing. So accounting
Increasing, sir.
entry will be salary account debit.
Salary account debit to salary outstanding account.
Outstanding account. Clear? Very simple. Aradhana, is it clear now?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay. So what was the confusion you had previously?
In accounting equations, we used to put outstanding salary in liability. So
Okay. Accounting equation also we used to put in liability. Here also we are telling the same thing, right? It's a liability.
okay.
Okay. So salary account debit to salary outstanding is the accounting entry. Clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So see, as I mentioned, golden rules of accounts and modern rules of accounts are very, very important. And I can understand that there will be few doubts at this stage because this is only the third class of account learning journal entries. How we can overcome this is only through practice. Okay. So whatever journal entries that we discussed, please practice it. Only then we can get stronger in journal entry. And once you get stronger in journal entries, then the entire journey of accountancy will look very easy. Not only this chapter, I'm not talking about chapter 6 and 8. entire book will look very easy, because in all the chapters we are only going to discuss journal entry. Not only in 11th book, in 12th book also, in CA levels also, everything is journal entry. Clear? So journal entries has to be very, very strong. Clear? No problem. So what we will do is, today we will pick up few questions which are leftover questions in chapter number 6. There are 3 or 4 T-shape accounts which are left, that we will complete. Then we will move to chapter number 8, journal entries, guys. Let me the first one we completed, right? Yeah, we last time we prepared a furniture account, right? I remember. Okay. Now let us prepare a. I will share my screen now. We'll do till illustration 7 we have completed. Guys, I'm sharing my class notes. How many of you are looking at the class notes actually? I'll stop presenting for a second. How many of you are revising the class notes, whatever I share, whatever we discuss in the class, how many of you are revising again? Okay. It's very important that we first revise and then cover all the practical problems also. Not even one illustration or one practical problem should be left unsolved. Clear? We have to ensure that, guys. Okay, let me share my screen now.
What did you say? Can you please say it again?
Yeah.
What did you now said?
I'm not.
My network little bit. So what did you?
No, I was telling whatever I am discussing in the class, please revise it. It's very important that whatever we discuss in the class is revised. Illustration 8, guys. Open a T-shape account of a creditor, Mohan. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Just one second, guys. Let me stop sharing my screen. Ah. Okay. Quickly, guys. Open a T-shape account of a creditor. So T-shape account already we have seen actually. This is how a T-shape account will look like. Only thing is now the heading will change. The heading will change to okay. Now whose T-shape account we are making? Mohan Creditors account. Okay. Instead of furniture account, it will be Mohan. We have two sides. One is serial number particular journal folio. Again, serial number particular journal folio. We have a debit side and a credit side, guys. Clear?
Sir, I forgot the amount, sir.
Amount is also there.
Okay.
Yeah. Serial number particular journal folio and amount. Serial number particular. Okay. When I was talking, I forgot you mean to say, right? Okay. Yeah. So first transaction. See, what is this account, guys? Mohan Creditors account. What is the behavior of a creditor account, guys? How does a creditor account behave? Increase means liability. Liability increase means I'm
Credit,
not getting credit. Decrease means
debit.
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 The behavior of a creditor account. So the what I am going to make is a creditor account. Creditor account means creditor account means increase means credit. And decrease means debit. Okay, so first this thing you be very clear. Whenever we prepare an account, whatever things which are increasing the creditors will be in the credit side. Whatever things which are decreasing the creditor will be in the debit side. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, very
No
simple. First is purchase goods from Mohan on credit. Serial number 1. Purchase goods from Mohan on credit. When I purchase goods from Mohan on credit, my creditor will increase or decrease?
Increase.
Increase, sir.
Increase.
Increase.
Increase, sir.
Accounting entry. Accounting entry. When I purchase goods from Mohan on credit, accounting entry will be what?
Purchase account
Purchase
debit.
account data to Mohan.
Purchase account debit to Mohan.
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 Okay. Now Mohan account is credited. On account of what? On account of a credit purchase being done.
By purchase, sir.
Okay. So debit side is always 2, credit side is always
By.
Buying.
Okay. So this will come in the debit side or this will come in the credit side?
Credit,
Credit
sir.
side, sir.
Credit side. Because of
Credit side.
because of what this is increasing? Because this is increasing because of a purchase. Which account is debited? Purchase account.
Purchase
By
account debit.
purchase, serial number is 1. By purchase, if the question gives a date, when we move to chapter number 8, serial number will not be there. This column will be replaced by date.
Date.
Okay. So journal folio will be as it is. Amount, how much is the amount, guys?
50,000.
50,000.
50,000.
So
50,000.
if I have to read this transaction, now from ledger, can I make a journal entry? From ledger, can I make a journal entry? Yes, I can make a journal entry. Very easy. Mohan is credited. Mohan is credited. So to Mohan, which account is debited? Purchase.
Purchase.
So entry is from ledger, I can create a journal also. Purchase account debit to Mohan. What is the accounting entry that would have been passed? Purchase account debit to Mohan. Any doubt?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in the journal entry, it is written that purchase account debit to Mohan. So it means that purchase is being debited. So
Yes.
why here purchase is on the credit side?
Which account I am preparing here?
Creditors, Mohan.
Mohan's creditor account. So when I prepare Mohan's creditor account, I will see only Mohan. So Mohan is a creditor. When I make a purchase, my creditor will increase or decrease?
Increase, sir.
Increase. Creditor increase means liability increase means it should come in debit side or credit side?
Debit.
Liability increase will be
Credit.
increase means credit. So, and why this is credited? Because there is a debit called purchase. So in creditor's account, should I put in the debit side or credit side? Creditors is increasing or decreasing?
Sir, increasing.
Increasing. That is why I have put in the credit side.
Okay, sir.
Okay, since you asked this question, I will show you one more thing. Very good question that he has asked. I will clarify his doubt now. I will prepare a purchase account also now. I can prepare 2 accounts, right? Because there are 2 accounts involved. I will prepare a purchase account in front of you. This account, I will name it as purchase account. If I am preparing a purchase account, my purchase is debited or credited? Purchase account is debited or credited, guys?
Debited, sir.
Debited. Because of whom it is debited? Because of Mohan creditor.
Mohan.
Okay. So in the, which is the debit side? This is the debit side. Here I will, what I will mention?
To Mohan.
To
To
Mohan.
Mohan.
Mohan creditor. So in one account, it will go in the debit side. In another account, it will go in the credit side. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, another important thing. In purchase account, can I mention 2 purchase? Can there be an entry called purchase account debit to purchase?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Never possible. This is the highest level of mistake anyone can make. In purchase account, purchase can never be. Okay. So what I was discussing in
Purchase.
purchase account. In purchase account, can I put two purchase?
No, sir.
Not possible. Purchase account debit to purchase. We cannot have an entry. Purchase account debit to purchase. There cannot be an entry.
Okay.
Similarly, Mohan account debit to Mohan there cannot be an entry like Mohan account debit to Mohan.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So whichever account we are preparing, that account name can never come inside that account. In Mohan's account, you can never see Mohan. In purchase account, you can never see purchase. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Fundamental concept, but very, very important concept. This one. Now, first transaction is over. Still, I'm in the first transaction. Second transaction is paid to Mohan. Whatever I made credit purchase, I'm now going to pay to him. Accounting entry. What is accounting entry, guys? When I make a payment to Mohan, liability will increase or decrease?
Sir, decrease.
Liability decrease means debit or credit?
Debit.
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 Guys, you guys can make a journal entry. What are you waiting for? Don't wait for me. Today I will learn from you.
Mohan debit to cash
Mohan
account.
account debit to cash account.
To cash, how much? 3,000.
30,000.
3,000. Now, Mohan account is the top account is Mohan account.
Sir, the amount is 30,000.
30,000, sir.
Okay, 30,000. Now you can see 30,000. Mohan account debit. In the debit side, this Mohan account debit to cash. In debit side, I should write or credit side?
Debit side.
Debit side. To Mohan,
Debit side.
to Mohan or something else? In Mohan account, can I mention Mohan?
No,
Sir,
sir.
cash
Cash
paid,
paid.
sir.
So it will be cash.
To
To cash.
cash.
To cash account. How much? 30,000.
Sir.
Okay. So you are very clear. Now, if I have to read this entry, how will I read? This is Mohan account debit. Debit Mohan and credit what? To cash. Mohan account debit to cash. The accounting entry is Mohan account debit to cash. For this accounting entry was purchase account debit. Purchase account debit to Mohan
To
account.
Mohan account.
This is how I have to read an entry from a ledger. If I have to read an entry from a ledger, this is how I have to read. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Following it? This is chapter number
Yes, sir.
8 or 9. Which chapter is that? Ledger. Ledger is chapter number 9. I'm discussing chapter number 9 now. In chapter number 6. Okay. Goods returned to Mohan. Goods returned to Mohan. Now I am returning goods to Mohan. When I return goods to Mohan, my liability will increase or decrease?
Decrease.
Decrease.
Decrease, sir.
Fantastic. Because I don't have to pay to Mohan again. To the extent of goods returned, I don't have to pay to Mohan, my liability will decrease. Liability decrease means debit or credit?
Debit.
Debit, sir.
Debit.
debit.
Fantastic, guys. So Mohan account debit. Now I made a purchase. My purchase is decreasing, right? You bought 3 shirts from Flipkart. 2 shirts you kept it, 1 shirt you are returning. So your purchase will become 3 or 2?
2.
2. So here what is decreasing? My purchases. What do I call that as? I called it as purchase
Purchase
Return.
return.
return. Okay. So Mohan account debit to purchase return. Amount is how much?
Amount is
3,000.
30,000.
3,000, sir.
Okay. Let us understand the concept. Why Mohan is
30,000,
debited?
sir. Sir, it will come 30,000, sir.
No problem. Amount I will change. No issues. 3,000 only. Goods returned to Mohan is 3,000 only. Mohan account debit. Why it is debited? Decrease in
Goods returned to Mohan.
decrease in liability.
Uh,
And why purchase return is credited? Purchase is an expense. My expense is reducing. When expense decrease means expense decrease means
Credit.
Credited.
decrease in liability. Expense decrease means credit. Okay. Decrease in liability means debit. Okay. This is the concept, guys. Everything is conceptual. So now Mohan is debited or credited?
Debit.
Mohan is debited or
Debit.
credited?
Debited.
Debited. So in Mohan account, it should come in debit side or credit side?
Debit side.
Debit side.
Debit
To what?
side.
Because of what? To
Purchase
because
return.
purchase return. Fantastic. You are creating a ledger now to purchase return 3,000, guys. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Sir.
No, sir.
Easy.
Yes, sir.
Again, goods purchased from Mohan on credit. One more time there is a purchase. One more time there is a purchase. This time the purchase is how much? 10,000.
10,000.
Another purchase. Same accounting entry, guys. By purchase account debit to
I
Mohan.
purchase.
I purchase how much?
10,000, sir.
Now I will total this. This is the total of credit side. This is the total of debit side. Okay. And what did I tell you? My creditor will always have a debit balance or credit balance? Creditor will always have debit balance or credit balance?
Debit.
Creditor. Again, understand creditor.
Credit balance.
Asset and expenses always have a debit balance. Liability, income, capital, and creditors always have credit balance.
Credit balance.
That means my credit side will always be high. 60,000 is my credit side. Debit side is how much? 33,000. So I call this as to balance carried down. To balance. That means my creditor, how much is the creditor balance?
Sir, that is balance TD, sir. That is.
That's okay. I'm just writing the full form.
Okay.
It is also called as to balance carried down. CD.
Sir, and the CD means closing balance.
Carried down. CD means carried down.
Okay.
Okay. We in simple words we mention as to balance carried down. This is how we mention that. I wrote full only to make you understand, guys.
Okay.
To balance carried down. Now my debit side and credit side should be equal. How much is the balance now? 60,000 minus 33,000. So what is the balance of creditor? 27,000 is mine. That means Mohan has to pay to me 27,000. 27,000 I have to pay to Mohan. What does it mean? This means 27,000 I have to pay to Mohan. Clear? This is called as closing balance. This is called as
Closing balance.
Closing balance.
closing balance. Next year it will become opening balance. Next year when it will become opening balance, same ledger will continue. It will be called
To
as
balance brought down.
to balance brought down. We call it as BD. To balance brought down. How
Brought
much? How much is the balance of this ledger? 27,000.
27,000.
27,000. So this is called as opening balance. This is called as opening balance. Clear, guys? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Next year, this assuming this is 31st March, on 1st April, I will put it as opening balance. 1st April, I will put it as opening balance. Now, opening balance of creditor will always be in the credits. Means creditor will always have a credit balance. Creditor will always have a credit balance. Clear? Any doubt? Any doubt to anyone? Fantastic.
No, sir.
That means technically I have completed till 9th chapter now. Okay, this is the entire concept that we are going to discuss in chapter number 9. So we have completed till chapter number 9. Concepts are over. Only thing is the transactions will keep changing. Okay, concept wise, only this much. Illustration number 9. Any doubt in this, guys?
No, sir.
We'll move to illustration 9 now. This was illustration 8. Illustration 9. Okay, you guys can yourself prepare this illustration 9. Okay. Pranav, all clear?
Yes, sir.
Aditya,
Yes, sir.
Akshaya, Sanjana,
Yes, sir.
Aradhana,
Yes, sir.
Shambhavi,
Yes, sir.
Navya.
Yes, sir.
Who else are there? I'm not able to see everyone.
Yes, sir.
Gautam, Ganesh, Roshni, Yash. Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If I missed any name, still you can mention whether it is clear or not. Okay. Yeah. So next one is prepare a T-shape account of Gurman. Debtor.
Yes.
Debtors is an asset or liability?
Sir,
Asset,
asset.
sir.
Asset. Asset will have a debit balance or a credit balance?
Debit balance.
Debit.
Debit balance. Increase in asset will be debited or credited?
Debit back.
Debit,
Sir,
sir.
debit.
And increase in asset will be debited.
Debited. Debited.
Whatever is increasing the Gurman account will be in the debit side. Whatever is decreasing the Gurman account will be in the credit side. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means ledger is over. That is the concept you have to think. Whether it's an asset, asset means anything which is increasing the debtor will be in the debit side. Anything which is decreasing the debtor will be in the credit side. Clear? Let us do it now. Fantastic, guys. You guys are following quick. Whose account is this, guys?
Gurman debtor.
Gurman's
Gurman
account.
debtor. So I will change this name to Gurman debtors account. Clear? Now, one by one, guys. First, a transaction, goods sold to Gurman. We'll first journalize the transaction only for your understanding so that we get a grip on journal entries also. Goods sold to Gurman.
Gurman account debit to sales account.
Yes, Gurman account debit to sales account. Logic, what is the logic, guys? Logic is most important. Entry is correct, but we go with logic. Gurman is what?
Debtor.
Asset, debtor. My asset is increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
Increasing, sir.
Increasing.
He will pay me in future. Asset increase means
Debtor.
Debit, sir.
Debit.
Debit.
debit. Sales is what?
Income.
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 Income increase means
Credit.
Credit.
everyone knows the concept now. Fantastic,
Yes,
guys.
sir.
Now, Gurman, what did I do? I debited Gurman. Because of what? Because of
Sales.
Sales.
sales. So in the debit side of Gurman, serial number 1, what I shall mention? To Gurman or
Two sales.
to sales.
Sales.
Can I mention to Gurman?
No, sir.
Never. That is the biggest mistake we can make. Clear? How
Yes,
much is the
sir.
amount? 80,000. First transaction is over, guys. Cash received from Gurman. Directly, accounting entry. Process in your mind. Now you should be in a position to process it in your mind. Cash received from Gurman. Accounting entry, quick.
Cash account
Cash
debit
account
to
debit
Gurman.
to Gurman's account.
Fantastic. That is the speed I want. Cash account debit to Gurman. Amount?
30,000.
30,000.
Now think logically. When Gurman will pay me cash, Gurman debtor will increase or decrease?
Decrease, sir.
Decrease. So I have, whenever asset is decreasing, I have to put in the debit side or credit side?
Credit.
Credit side.
Credit side.
Because of what it is decreasing?
Cash.
because I received cash. By
Received
cash,
cash.
account,
I cash.
we have received cash is not required. Account is, I have only one account, cash account. There I will receive, I will pay. Account is only one account, by cash account. Serial number 2, 30,000. So 80,000. How I have to read this, guys? How this account has to be read with these two transactions? Gurman, sale happened for 80,000. He has made a payment of 30,000. How much is the balance at this point of time that Gurman has to pay now? 80 minus 30,
50,000.
50,000. Gurman
50,000.
after two transactions. I am yet to complete few more transactions. After two transactions, Gurman has to pay me 50,000. That is how you have to read a ledger. Clear? Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Third transaction, discount allowed. I am telling Gurman, you pay me the balance amount also. I will give you some discount of 2,000. So the discount that I am giving to Gurman, think logically, the discount that I am giving to Gurman,
Discount
Is it an-
allowed account
yes,
debit to Gurman.
discount,
Sir, cash account debit, discount allowed account debit to Gurman's account.
okay. Anywhere is it mentioned? Anywhere is it mentioned that we are receiving cash?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. So why cash account debited? Nowhere it is mentioned, right?
No, sir.
So discount allowed account debit. Yash was right. Discount allowed account debit 2,000
Discount allowed account.
debit to Gurman account 2,000 rupees. Why discount allowed is
Gurman's account.
debited? Because discount allowed will become my expense. Expense is increasing. Expense increase means
Debit.
yes, it is a loss to me. It is an expense to me because he will not pay this 2,000 to me. Why Gurman account is credited? Because I am reducing the asset by 2,000 rupees. When I see Gurman, I don't see 50,000 now. I see only 48,000 now. Clear? So asset decrease means I am giving a discount. Asset decrease means credit. Now Gurman is increasing or decreasing? My asset is increasing or decreasing? Decreasing means which side it should
Decreasing.
come? Asset decrease means debit side or credit side?
Credit side.
Asset decrease credit side.
Credit side, sir.
See
Credit
the
side.
entry, discount allowed account debit to Gurman account. Gurman, in the credit side of Gurman, because of what it is decreasing? Because of
Discount allowed.
discount allowed. Transaction number 3, 2,000 rupees. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one. Goods sold for cash. Goods sold for cash to Gurman. How much? 10,000. Goods sold for cash to Gurman. See, when I sell goods for cash to Gurman, whenever there is a cash transaction, the word Gurman is relevant or irrelevant?
Irrelevant.
Irrelevant. So accounting entry. When I sell goods,
Cash account debit to sales.
yes, cash account debit to sales. This Gurman is only given to confuse you. Cash account debit to sales. So is this transaction impacting Gurman account? Which
No,
account
sir.
is debited? Cash account. Which account is credited? Sales account. So will this come in Gurman account?
No, sir.
No,
Not at
sir.
all.
No good.
I will not record this transaction in Gurman account because Gurman is paying me cash for this. When he is paying cash for me, why I have to create an account for him? Why I have to create a transaction for him in the ledger account? Clear?
Yes, sir.
So cash account debit to sales, this is the accounting entry. Check received from Gurman. Now Gurman is paying me check. Check received from Gurman. Now I am getting some bank balance. Bank account debit.
To
Who
Gurman.
is paying
Gurman's
me?
account.
Gurman. How much is paying me? 20,000. So Gurman is getting credited.
Uh.
Gurman is getting credited because of what? Because of
Bank.
Bank.
So buy
So-
bank.
Buy bank. Fantastic, guys.
Buy bank.
How much?
Amount is 20,000.
20,000. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So this is transaction number 5, right?
5, sir.
Fourth, I did not record. Fourth, I did not record because it was a cash sales. Whenever there is a cash sale, that will not come in debtors account, or whenever there is a cash sale or cash purchase, it will not impact debtor account or creditor account. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Fantastic. Last one. Check sales return by Gurman.
Sales return by
Gurman.
Gurman. So sales and Gurman was involved, sir.
Yes, sales return.
Sales return
Sales
and
Sales return
Gurman was
account
return.
debit to Khurman's account.
Okay. Gurman, my asset will increase or decrease?
Asset will decrease, sir.
Decrease because he will not pay me again. Asset will decrease, and my sales is income. When
It will decrease means debit.
decrease means debit. Fantastic, guys. Sales return account debit to Gurman account
To
3,000. 3,000, right? Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
Gurman account.
Yes, sir.
Gurman
Sir,
account.
5,000, sir.
5,000, sir. Amount is 5,000, sir.
No problem. I will change it to 5,000. Amount is okay. 5,000. I will change it to 5,000. I am not seeing the book, guys. Whatever you tell me, I am recording. Sales return account debit to Gurman. So Gurman account credit side of where I have to go, debit side of Gurman or credit side of Gurman?
Credit side.
Credit
I will credit side of Gurman by
Sales return.
Credit
sales.
sales
Sales
return.
return.
Yes, by sales return. How much?
5,000, sir.
5,000.
5,000.
Now debtor. Logical question. Debtor. Gurman is a debtor. Always which side will be higher? Debit side or credit side?
Debit side.
Always
Debit, sir.
debit side will be higher because asset always have a debit balance. That means my debit side will always be high. Okay. So 80,000 minus 57,000, 23,000. This I will call it as buy balance carried down or brought down.
By balance.
Carried down.
Carried down.
Carried down.
Carried down. How much? 23,000. That means what does this 23,000 mean? That means whenever I see Gurman, I will tell him, boss, pay me 23,000. What does this 23,000 mean? That I see 23,000 in the face of Gurman. Whenever I see Gurman, I will tell him, boss, where is my 23,000? Clear? Any doubt?
No,
sir.
sir.
Now, this is what? This is called as closing balance. This is called as whenever we close an account, that is called as closing balance. And next year again, this account will be opened. I will open his account with what is the balance I will open his account? How much is the balance that he has to pay?
23,000.
23,000. So his account will be opened next year. Two balance brought down as how much? 23,000. This will be called as this. Next year it will become
Opening balance.
opening balance. Two balance brought down. Buy balance carried down means closing balance. Brought down means opening balance. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Fantastic, guys. So this we completed now. Illustration 9. One more illustration, T-shape account. Illustration 10. See how understanding with logic is making it look very easy. Anyone finding it difficult? Anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No? Okay. Fantastic,
sir.
guys. Fantastic, guys. Illustration 10. Guys, one thing I'm repeating, I will conclude this chapter after illustration 10. That doesn't mean chapter is complete. This chapter will be complete from my side. From your side, when this chapter will complete? From your side, when this chapter will complete?
Practice, sir.
When you complete till illustration 10 and till practical problem 14. From practical problem 1 to 14 is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Practical problem 1 to 14 is there, right?
Yes, sir.
All this 1 to 14 have to be practiced and solved. Then only this chapter will complete from your side.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Don't think that this we did not do. Everything what is given in illustration, the same thing is given in practical problem also. Nothing changes there. Clear? Only thing is you have to practice and ensure that all the 14, from 1 to 14, everything is practiced. Then you will get full grip of the chapter. So only you can call a chapter as completed when all the illustration and all the practical problem are over. Then only the chapter is completed from your side. Am I making myself very clear to all of you?
Yes,
Not
sir.
even one practical problem should be unsolved,
sir.
guys. Not even one practical problem should be unsolved. And once you complete the practical problem till 14, you will have confidence. Any question come in the exam, I will
Sir,
be able to
I
answer.
tried 3 sums, sir.
Fantastic. Got the right answer?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. So complete remaining also, guys. Complete remaining also. Any doubt anyone is having in any practical problem, I will solve in front of you.
Okay.
Don't tell all 14 are doubt. Okay, because I am not here to solve all the 14. If I have to solve another 14, then I have to take another 6 months of your 12th standard also. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So we will not have enough time to solve everything, but we are going very, very detailed. Every illustrations we are covering, every practical problem we are covering, we are going very detailed. And once you complete all the illustration and all the practical problem, I can ensure you that any question from any book, not only CBSE, any question from any book, if it comes, you will be in a position to solve it. Can we complete all the practical problem also, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is what you have to do in your 5 to 6 morning routine. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So for me, this chapter number 6 is over. Till chapter number 6 is your responsibility to ensure all practical problem till chapter number 6 is completed. Clear? Start with accounting equation, then move to chapter number 6. Chapter number 5 and 6, complete all the practical problem. Then you can wrap this chapter number 5 and 6. You will never ever forget for the rest of your academic year. And whenever you are revisiting this revision, doing a revision, revise whatever you have practiced, just do 2 or 3 practical problems, solve it. The toughest practical problem that you're finding it, solve it, you will get the confidence back. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Everyone
sir.
is clear?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic.
Yes.
Fantastic. Illustration 10 now. From the following particular, I need to find out where is my illustration 10. Where is my illustration 10? I think this is the one. Okay. See, I am hiding the answer so that you can apply your mind. Okay, we'll copy only till here. Now you guys will apply your mind and tell me. Capital account. Which account we are going to prepare?
Capital.
Prepare account of Dev, proprietor of a business. Account of Dev means what? Capital account of Dev. Dev's capital account. We will call it as Dev's capital account. What is the nature of capital account, guys? What is the nature of capital account?
Liability.
Okay, we will call it as capital itself. Don't call it as liability. That was only in accounting terms that we discussed. It's an internal liability, no doubt about it. But capital, let it call it as capital itself. It's an internal liability, no doubt about it. But still, let us call it as capital. Capital increase means
Income.
capital increase is not income.
Credit.
Capital increase means credit. Capital decrease means debit.
Debit.
Debit, sir.
Clear?
Yes,
And
sir.
capital will always have which balance? Capital always will have which balance, guys?
Debit.
credit balance. Very simple, guys. Liability, income, capital. Liability, income, capital always will have which balance?
Credit balance.
Credit balance. What is so difficult in
So
retaining this in mind?
so assets and expenses was debit balance,
Only
and liabilities and
correct.
incomes are credit balance, right?
Liability, income, capital, retained earnings.
Okay.
Okay.
So you asked that
Asset and expenses.
you asked that what balance it has, means capital has what balance. What does this mean actually?
No, capital, I told in the first class, right? Capital will always have modern rules. Asset and expenses always have
Debit
Debit
balance.
debit balance. Liability, income, capital, retained earning, reserves and surplus always have
Credit balance.
credit balance.
Okay, so
Asset and
actually,
expenses increase.
I was not
This is what
present
I asked.
during this session because I was not well at that time.
Okay, guys, I am going an additional step. What I told in the beginning of session, I will not provide any recorded classes. I'm now going an additional step. All my sessions are now uploaded where? You guys are aware, right? All my sessions are uploaded in
YouTube.
YouTube. So if you miss a session, whose responsibility it is to see, go and check there?
It's our responsibility.
Yes. So if you miss a session, please see the session. That is why I tell, even if one session is missed, you will lose track. Okay. And that is the reason for, even though I was not initially thinking of putting everything in YouTube, but now I have decided, and it will continue for the rest of the sessions also. Any session that you miss, please see in YouTube. Clear? Then
Yes.
only come to the next class. Then only you will understand the next class, guys. Okay. Now, asset and expenses always will have a debit balance. Liability, income, capital, and retained earnings always will have a credit balance. Clear? So when I ask capital will have which balance? Capital will have which balance, guys? Debit or credit?
Credit balance.
Credit balance. Capital increase means debit or credit? Capital increase. Whenever capital increases, we have to
Credit,
credit. Whenever capital decrease, we have to
Debit.
Credit.
debit
debit.
it.
Debit.
This is the concept. Why I am repeating this concept so many times? Because now we are preparing a capital account. In capital account, anything which is increasing the capital should come in the credit side. Anything which increases the capital should come here. Anything which decreases the capital should come here. Clear?
Okay.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
First
Yes.
transaction, capital introduced. Everyone knows from day one we have been discussing this. Capital introduces
Cash account
accounting
debit.
entry to capital.
Cash
When I
account debit to capital.
When I introduce my capital account will increase or decrease?
Increase.
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 By Dev's capital or by some other name? By
Cash.
cash account debit to capital. By what?
By cash.
By cash account. By cash account. In bracket you can mention as capital. Not required. By cash account. How much is the amount, guys?
30,000.
30,000. This is serial number 1. Any doubt? How do you read this transaction? Cash. Capital account
Cash
is
account
created.
data to Dave.
Yes.
Cash
By-
account debit to capital.
Fantastic, guys. Next, drawings made by him. When a proprietor makes a drawing, capital will increase or decrease?
Decrease.
Decrease.
Capital will decrease. Okay. So when capital will decrease, accounting entry is what? Accounting entry is what?
Drawings account debit to capital account.
Drawings account debit. How he will withdraw?
Cash
He
account.
will withdraw in cash. Drawings account debit to cash account. How much is the amount?
6,500.
6,500.
Sir, but it will not come, sir.
Why it will not come?
Because capital is not there, sir.
Yeah. Drawings is also reduction in capital. Drawings is also reduction in capital. So what we will do? We will reduce the capital. I got your point. You are telling since capital is not, you have to read this as Dev's capital account. You have to read this as Dev's capital account, because drawings is nothing but reduction in capital. Drawings is nothing but reduction in capital. Clear? Okay. So Dev's capital account. See, there are two ways of doing this. Either I can put to cash here and mention in bracket as drawings, or I can alternatively, I can pass another accounting entry. What is reducing because of drawings?
Capital.
Dev's capital account debit to drawings. This also I can pass an accounting entry. 6,500, 6,500. In 12th, we follow this concept. In 12th, we follow this concept. There is an chapter called partnership, where we will follow, whenever there is a drawings, we will mention as to cash. In bracket, we will mention as drawings. Okay. This is correct. You can also use this. Instead of putting Dev's capital account debit, instead of putting like this, Dev's capital account debit to drawings, if I put this, then I have to put one more entry. If I am putting this, I have to put one more entry, drawings account debit to cash account. See how this entry and this entry are same, I will tell you. Here drawings is what? Credited. Here drawings is what? Debited. Debit minus credit, that account will become 0. Ultimately, what is remaining? Dev's capital account debit to cash account. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Or one method is just put this entry, or we have to put two entries. One, first park it to drawings, and then drawings account debit to cash account. Then drawings account debit to cash account. In your book, this method is recommended. Dev's capital account debit to drawings. So we'll use this method. Okay. When we go to 12th standard, we can use alternate method also, directly drawings account debit to cash account. Okay. In bracket, you have to mention what? Or you can leave it. Already mentioned drawings. To drawings, how much is the amount? 6,500.
6,500.
Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
I can put drawings account debit to cash account also. I can put Dev's capital account debit to drawings account debit to cash account. Now I am preparing which account? Dev's capital account. If I use this method, Dev's capital account will be debited, and which account will be credited? To drawings. That is why I have put two drawings, guys. 6,500. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah.
No, sir.
So capital is reducing. That is why drawings account is debited. Further capital introduced. Same. Further capital introduced is same as at first entry.
Capital introduced.
Cash
Yes.
account debit to capital.
Yes. By cash account. How much?
22,000.
22,000.
22,000.
22,000. Okay. Now, if you remember accounting equation, whenever there was an income, the capital was increasing or decreasing?
Increased.
Increase.
Increased.
Whenever there was an expense, the capital was decreasing or increasing?
Decreasing.
Decreasing.
Increasing, sir.
Expense, capital was decreasing. For income, capital was increasing. Now they have mentioned profit.
Oh.
Profit for the period. When I make a profit, my capital will increase or decrease?
Increase.
Increase, sir.
Increase. So
Increase, sir.
by profit and loss account. One second, guys. Sorry. Sorry, guys. So what I was discussing? Profit and yeah, profit. So whenever there is a profit, capital will increase or decrease?
Increase.
Increase. So in the credit side, accounting entry will be profit and loss account. Okay, forget about this accounting entry. This is a little complicated to you. You can simply understand whenever there is a profit, my capital will increase. That is why this is coming in the credit side. It is 7,500. Clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
How much
No, sir.
my capital will have a credit balance or a debit balance always?
Credit.
Credit side will always be higher.
Credit balance.
Credit side will always be higher. So 59,000 minus 6,500. How much is Dev's capital
53,000.
at the end of the year? How much is
53,000.
the
3,000.
53,000 is the closing capital at the end of the year. So I will call it as what? I will call it as two balance
Carry down.
To
Carry
balance carried
CD.
down.
carried down
Carried down.
53,000. And next year it will become
By
Opening
balance
capital.
brought down.
by balance
By balance
brought
Brought
down.
down.
This is how
Brought
much?
down.
53,000. This is called as opening balance. Opening balance of next year. This is the closing balance of this year. This is called as closing balance. Any doubt, guys?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Yeah, this is called as closing balance. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this completes my chapter number 6. Now let us see few problems and see whether anything that we are not aware of. Problem number 1 to 14. Let us skim through all the problems. Take problem number 1. Problem number 1 I am not going to discuss. It is what? Identifying personal, real or nominal. Okay. Personal, real or nominal.
Okay.
Land and building. What is that account?
Real.
Real account.
Yeah. If you can touch.
Okay. Next is excise duty. Excise duty I have not discussed. For now, you can take it as
Nominal
a
account.
nominal account. Creditors we know, capital we know, motor vehicle we know, goodwill we know, investment we know, salary we know, debtors we know. What is bad debt?
Nominal.
Bad debt will be nominal account. Bad debt is a loss.
Nominal account.
Loss will be nominal. Depreciation also we discussed in the last class.
Nominal.
Depreciation is nominal. Wages is
Yes.
nominal. Repairs
Nominal.
is nominal. Ramesh a debtor. Ramesh
Ramesh is an personal.
personal account.
Personal.
Personal.
Interest received
Nominal.
nominal. It's an income.
Real.
Bank overdraft.
Nominal,
You have to pay
nominal.
to someone. You have to pay to someone. It's not nominal. You have to pay to someone. Bank is a personal account. Similarly, bank overdraft is also a
Nominal.
personal account.
Personal account.
Personal account. Bank. You have to receive from someone, right? Sorry, you have to pay to someone. Bank overdraft means the bank is giving you a facility.
Yes, sir.
The bank is giving you a facility to withdraw more than 1,000. That means you have to repay to the bank.
You have to pay.
You have to repay to the bank. So it's a bank account and bank overdraft, both are personal account. Clear? Purchase return.
Yes, sir.
Everyone knows purchase return. It will decrease my purchases.
Yes, sir.
Decrease my purchases means it will become my income. Income and expense both are nominal account. Drawings is what?
Personal.
Personal.
Nominal
Right.
account.
Freight is nothing but to bring the goods from one place to
Personal.
another, you give some conveyance. It's called freight. Return inward. This is a technical term which has come for the first time. Return inward is whatever sales that you are doing, that is coming back to you.
Nominal.
It is called as return inward is nothing but return inward is nothing but sales return. Return outward is called as purchase return. Return inward is sales return. Other word for sales return is return inward. Clear? In bracket you can mention as sales return. Any doubt?
No,
No, sir.
Question number 2 is exactly same. I don't see any new terminology in that. I don't see any new terminology in question number 2. Question number 3. Question number 3, carriage inward, carriage outward. See, what is carriage inward? If goods are coming into the factory, if goods are coming into the factory by a truck, it is called as carriage inward. If goods are going out of the factory in a truck, that is called as carriage outward. Both are expenses. Carriage inward is also expense, carriage outward is also expense. Both are nominal account. Question number 3, I am telling. Okay, in question number 3, they are asking us to classify under asset, liability, capital, revenue, and expenses. So carriage inward, carriage outward, both are expenses to the company. Whether goods are whether we are bringing the goods in truck inside the factory, or whether goods are going out of the factory, that is called as carriage outward. Both are expenses for the company. Clear? Question number 4. I don't see anything new. Question number 5. On which side of will the decrease in the following accounts be recorded? First of all, we have to find out the nature of the item. How you will answer this? Question number 5. First, you have to find out cash. Cash is asset or liability or expenses? Asset. If there is a decrease in asset, which side you will record?
Decrease in asset means credit, sir.
Credit. That is what they are asking. Understand the question. Decrease in any of this item will be recorded in which side? How you will determine this? You have to find out the nature of that item. Item is asset. Asset decrease means credit. Second item, bank overdraft. Bank overdraft. In case of modern rules, you can only understand this through a modern rule concept, because in modern rule only we use the word increase or decrease. Clear? Bank overdraft. I gave an example now. Bank overdraft is you have to repay to the bank because you have withdrawn excess from the bank. So what it will be? It will be an asset, expense, income, liability. What it will be? You have to repay to the bank. What it will be?
Liability.
Liability. Decrease in liability. Decrease in liability will be recorded in which side?
Debit.
Debit side. So first, to solve this question, first you have to understand whether it is an asset, income, expense, liability, or capital. Then you have to find out capital decrease means debit, capital increase means credit, liability increase means credit, decrease means debit. Outstanding salary. Outstanding salary paid. I am going to pay outstanding salary. When outstanding salary is paid, what will happen? When outstanding salary is paid, what will happen? My liability will increase or decrease? Liability. Outstanding salary is a liability, right? Liability decrease means?
Debit.
Debit. So what I shall do? Debit. Clear?
Debit.
It's okay. You are taking a little time to think. That's okay. At least you are thinking. You are not answering debit and credit immediately. I'm happy. You're trying to think and then processing in your mind whether it will be a debit and credit. I'm happy about it. Rather than directly selling debit and credit. That will make your answer absolutely wrong. Clear? Think and then tell. No problem. Outstanding rent. Just now we discussed outstanding salary. Outstanding salary, outstanding rent, both are same. Both are liability. Decrease means?
Debit.
Debit. Fantastic. Prepaid insurance.
Debit.
Prepaid insurance is always an asset. Asset
Ex-
decrease
asset.
means?
Credit.
Asset decrease means?
Credit.
Credit. Fantastic, guys.
Credit.
So first what we are doing? First we are identifying whether it's an asset, liability, or income. Then we are identifying decrease will be debited or credited. Clear? Mohan, proprietor of the business. Decrease means, capital decrease means
Debit.
debit. Clear? So
Debit.
in each of this exercise, first write the nature of asset, then nature of account, asset, liability or capital, mention that. Then think asset decrease means automatically you will get answer. Capital decrease means you will get answer. Liability decrease means you will get answer. Clear? Any doubt? Question number 6. Whether an account will be debited or credited to record. Increase in revenue. Increase in revenue will be? Revenue increase will be?
Credited.
Credited. Decrease in expense. As expense is decreasing. Expense increase means debit, decrease means
Credit.
credit. Drawings. Drawings is what? Drawings is what?
Debit.
Drawings is what? No, drawings is not an expense. Drawings is decrease in capital.
Capital.
Debit. Debit.
Proprietor is bringing capital. Decrease in capital means debit.
Debit.
Fresh capital introduced.
Decrease in capital. Debit.
Fresh capital, new capital you are bringing into the business.
Capital increasing, sir.
Increase,
Credit.
increase in capital. New capital means increase in capital. Clear? Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Credit.
Yes. 1 to 6.
Credit.
See how much time it took. I will stop recording here.
Credit, sir.
Yeah. I will stop recording.